Hi there. It's the 20th of March today. It's actually my uh, engagement day with my wife 37 years ago. But enough about that. I will try to test out a nice package called Get It Done, which is a framework driving large language models for coding. It helps with, well, all of the development process, really, doing planning, phases, milestones, yeah, whatever, actually, in the holistic view of software development. So I thought we should start try. Find GST2. Get it done on GitHub and clone it. Read up on how it works, and then yeah, we'll start by just that prompt. Let's see how it fares on that simple one. No, it choose the wrong. I will abort it. Yeah, as you saw, it started with version 1 of Get It Done, although I said specifically GST-2, but it was simple enough to fix. Yeah, I will ask it to set it up so I can use Codex with my ChatGPT account, and I will ask it to clean up the first checkout or clone. So I haven't read the manual at all. I've just heard about this piece of software from a colleague. Yeah, so it's done. Let's see. Okay, he has started it. Okay, I will see if we can just jump out of Codex here and type GST. Yeah, we got it working. So morning, Google search. Well, I don't know if anything on this is needed. Let's try GST Auto. I haven't said what I want to do yet, but we'll see if what happens. I have no idea if this is the way to start it. You haven't described the product yet. Yeah, I don't know. Let's try to make a Docker stack running Jenkins along with Jenkins agents that run some Linux with Xvfb, a virtual frame buffer. It's sort of like a graphic user interface. So I can test drive Java Swing applications in there. That would be nice. I will ask it. Make a Docker stack running Jenkins and Jenkins agents that can run Java Swing applications for UI testing of Swing. Yeah, for UI testing, of course. Also invent a Git repository or a test Swing app somewhere. That you can build and test inside such an agent and record screen recordings of when the app runs. Make the app be automatic with no input as a first trial. So this is pretty loose, but I'm interested to see how it fares. Okay, so I haven't set up web search. Maybe I should try to do that. We can make Brave search, perhaps. Oh, I don't have any. What is there? But I don't have any there. Okay, I won't do anything like that. Okay. And just use curl. Where should well, we make recommended. Yeah, I haven't read it through fully, but sure, just finish this. Oh, this is nice. First, it generates a depth summary, what I want done. Yeah, I'm not reading things through. I want this to be done as quickly as possible, and I just want to see how it ends up. Confirm. Token on service. Right. So, project description, success criteria, decisions. Yeah, it has defined a milestone. But here it pauses. Integration branch main for milestone M001 no longer exists in Git. Run G. So here we found a problem. Is it because it's a nested Git directory? It was predispatch health integration, blah, blah, blah. Oh, GST doctor fix. Well, no issues. So I have ended up with a broken Git work tree add. Is the problem due to the nested Git environment? But I have confirmed I am okay. Okay, so let me confirm again, and you can go on fixing the main branch. I'm not sure what has gone wrong here, but it seems like a bug. Do it. Seems like it. Oh, state is inconsistent. Blah blah blah. Well, at least seems to continue. Okay. Now it seems to start actually writing the Docker file for Jenkins agent. Nice. First task is real. And there it checked it off. Build the GUI capable Jenkins agent image. So what is it doing now? Oh, it's doing the actual Jenkins Docker container, or image rather, perhaps. And then it builds the Docker Compose file. Cool. It already is running Docker Compose. It's already done. It's now testing. Maybe we should go there and check. Oh, I haven't changed the left screen. I actually have had a Chrome session there. But you haven't seen it. Earlier it was on the GST2 homepage. Well, I can show you that, I guess. So this is GitHub gst-build/gst-2. That's the repository. And I went into the manual where I started looking at getting started. That's just the little piece that I had read during this session. Sorry for not showing that earlier. Now I want to try to see if we can open up the Jenkins server. I'm not sure if it's running it right now, but we'll try. Yeah, it is there. So that's good. At least I have no idea what the credentials are. It has probably said it. Admin, it says here. So it should do it. Change your password. No way. I just want you to remove this window. Okay. I should probably turn off the dark reader here because it looks very bad. Now, where is the dark reader? It's there, I guess. Yeah. Is it just to do that? No, that was the wrong way to do it. It has to be here. Ah, here it is. Off. Right. So here's the Jenkins, and they have a GUI swing agent here as well. This is really nice, actually. I mean, it's not hard to set up Jenkins, I know that, but it's really, it's so nice to just say it in a sentence. Build a Docker stack that sets up Jenkins with a sub agent that has a graphic interface. That's awesome. So what is it doing now? I suspect it's doing the demo app. Yeah. It's almost a little bit scary how autonomous it is, but I can live with that fear because this is amazing. It's such an enabler for all sorts of things. Everything that you did not have time for to think about, even. You can now start to think and dream and, yeah. Ooh, there's the demo. It was shown to me. You didn't see it, of course, since I haven't got all my screen estate shown in the OBS stream. Okay, I will refresh Jenkins here because I think it has made an item. Or no, it failed. It has not yet built an item. Okay. Seems to restart every now and then. I mean, oh, now things are happening. No, it's just that I went into a GUI swing agent. There's no build history, right? No. Status is nothing. Connected and online. That's nice. System information. Yeah, let's go back to the start. Now there has come some kind of thing here. A swing demo pipeline. So it's a job. It has tried several times. We can look at the console output. Yeah. So it is starting slowly but surely building up the Jenkins infrastructure here. Oh, it got green here. Let's check it out. It's mostly scaffolding, of course, but it at least has set up a Jenkins pipeline that works. And also check what has no workspace just yet. Jenkins is now cloning, is it? Hmm. So it's going into slice 3, recording and failure evidence. So did it stop here? There was a lot of things happening. Yeah. Are you done? Where can I see the video of the demo run? Not yet. Of course. Auto mode. So it stopped for some reason. I don't know why. I think the point of auto mode is that it should run until it succeeds. Well, with the definition of done that it has recorded. And I must confess I haven't read through all the goals and, well, definition of done that it made. I sort of just accepted anything. So it might be that I haven't actually asked it to do the full work in one go. Okay. Now there's demo run.mp4. Is it possible to render it inside this Let's see. Is this visible in the video recording? Yes, it is. So it's an empty file, but still. Oh, I did the wrong thing here. History. Oh, like this. Very interesting. You can see the video now. Well, I don't think the video was empty. Did you really get it to run the demo app on the agent? So I'm asking it to pick apart the video into images or frames and look at the frames and tell me what they consist of. I have better download this, I think. QuickTime Player couldn't run it. VLC then. Or input cannot be opened. So I didn't manage to open. Oh, it has, okay. Should be able to just, here it is. I should share this, of course. Let's see how I can do that. I must move this window to the correct place. And then go into OBS. And I guess this was VLC down here. Yeah. So how do I run it again? Oh yeah, here it is. I will just bring it back to the start. And this is a file recorded when the program was run inside the Docker stack, well, from inside Jenkins agent, so to speak. I'll run it and it changes color. Yeah, cool. This was actually a first for me, running get shit done, and we actually got to be able to let Jenkins run graphic files and saving the runs as a screen recording. And this will be very useful for UI testing for me. Thank you for today. This was exciting, actually.